Hey guys, I gotta show you this because it's super cool. A new piece of technology we got here at Metal Trade Solutions. Something that I did not expect and something I never thought we would really get into is 3D printing. So we actually purchased two 3D printers, and the one of them showed up like the same day or a day before the DOOSAN showed up. So we haven't had a chance to play with it until now. It's been a few weeks, but we've done a few test prints and it is so much fun. I can't even tell you. I'm gonna show you a quick few things here. So this is an FDM type 3D printer. It's the Prusa i3 Mark III, and we got this thing printing some stuff right now, but here's a few different test prints from it. So these ones actually came off of this, which is an SLA style 3D printer. And that's also super cool. You can kind of see how they're different. This is like super detailed, smaller stuff, and this is sort of more general, but it's crazy that you can make something in the computer and then just print it out. Now this is not something that we're planning on really selling as a service, although we may at times print stuff for customers. This is mostly for us to come up with little brackets or components or something that we might be helpful. It's a really fast way to just get something in your hands or tie something down or make a bin for something or something to stand up end mills or drills or organization type stuff. So stuff like that. Anyways, speaking of the DOOSAN, let's go look at it. Okay, here we are, guys, in MTS Plant 2. That's what we're calling this room. It's kind of funny, we're just pretending like we're a bigger place than we are. The DOOSAN has been leveled. Electricity's run to it, air's run to it, coolant tanks down there, the conveyor's set up. We had to install a transformer because power comes in at 480 volts and this machine runs on 220. Something we didn't expect, but whatever, got it taken care of. We have tool holders and vices coming for this in the next, hopefully, week and a half. We're going with shunk hydraulic holders and a variety of ER collet holders and orange vices. Super excited for the orange vices because I've heard nothing but good things about them. There's garage doors in here now, which is awesome. Makes it way more echoey in here, but that's okay. That'll go away as this room fills up with other equipment. Mark has been working tirelessly on this door frame. It was super short, so he made it 8 or 10 inches taller, and he's going to surround the whole thing with metal just like that. So it's going to look super sharp when it's done, and we're not going to hit our heads on it. So anyways, thanks for tagging along, guys.